grabbed some lunch, Subway. Yeah, please sponsor me, Subway. That'd be amazing. It is a beautiful Monday morning, about 8:30, and it is almost Bluebird. Yeah, so going riding with cousin Mitchell today, and should be a party. So I mean, it's always a party when we're sledding. I mean, yeah. So we're the only ones in the lower parking lot. This is awesome.
Everyone else has a job.
Yeah, everybody else is making money today instead of spending it. Oh man, yeah, good times. It's gonna be awesome. It's sunny, it's bright. Whoo! Might need some tinted lenses today. Alright, so I guess that's gonna do it for today's riding video. I kind of can't help but feel a little bit like the videos are getting a hair bit repetitive maybe. I don't know if it's just me or if anybody else is feeling that way too, but I do believe this weekend we are going up Eagles Pass on Saturday, so that's something pretty crazy and new to look forward to. Hopefully get some crazy good drone shots, we'll see, but should be a good time nonetheless. Yeah, so be sure to subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff, and yeah, you did great today, Mitchell. Very nice, yes. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.